we have not come. We have not decided on whether or who should be charged. So let her come tomorrow. Unless you have a problem with her after that, appearing on Zoom.
I propose that we handle that after the preliminaries are done.
Yeah, but everything should not be contentious.
Yes.
Because we've had this one trial.
Yes.
Yes, so. And by the way, it should be, I think it would affect the accused person more than the other, because it is her case. It is her what? It is how we should follow and what happened. Now if it is written that way, if there comes any problem, when she chose it, they will do it. But let's come here tomorrow at 10 o'clock. Then we shall continue in the matter.
Is that the DPP was asking for an amendment to amend the charge sheet and charge people almost afresh. And we objected, and the court will give us a decision tomorrow. So that's basically what happened. And then when they give us a decision, we can continue. The reason we are objecting is that you have had to charge people for a very long time. You could have changed it, and now the charge sheet are defective. So you can't amend something that is dead. You can't resurrect a dead charge sheet. It is defective. That's our reason for that the objection. So we'll have a decision tomorrow of court, and then we will pick it up from there.
Why does it claim?
Okay, our client, as you see, the reason she wants Zoom is that she has mobility issues, as you can see. Because of the repeated hitting to the head, she has what they call vertigo. When she stands, she spins. So that's why ideally, More was savagely attacked on the 2nd of November. She's got to go over 5 surgeries to correct the attack on her head. When we begin the trial, you will see what happened. You will see that nearly 99% of the blood in their bedroom is her blood. Therefore, somebody who has lost nearly 70% of her blood, losing so much, the doctors will explain when the time comes. So that's when she stands, she rotates. So that's why she has problems moving. And here, because we have no ramp for a wheelchair, it has to be carried down the cell up here. So that is inconvenience. So she can appear on Zoom. No, it won't affect at all. Not at all.
Out of Uganda,